An inland sea rises in the Midwest as pre-spring floods rage from Pennsylvania to Missouri. Worst hit are the lowlands along the Ohio River in Ohio and Kentucky, where it reaches its fourth highest crest on record. Coney Island Amusement Park, southeast of Cincinnati, looks anything but amusing, with the bare scaffolding of its roller coaster rising above the muddy water. When the owners of a nearby racetrack called it River Downs, they had no idea how ironically apt its name could be. At Cincinnati, the flood crests at 66 feet before it starts to recede. Since the banks rise steeply here, the major business and residential districts are not in danger, but scores of warehouses and streets along the riverfront are flooded. The Ohio has a habit of spilling over in the springtime. But this flood is unusual, not only because of its ferocity, but because the high water started downstream rather than up. Unusually heavy rains hit just above Cincinnati and on down through Kentucky and Indiana before the clouds moved east to swell the headwaters at Pittsburgh. Thus, this area between Cincinnati and Louisville was already inundated before the currents brought more water. Nobody has even begun to calculate the total property damage, except to know that it will run into the multi-millions of dollars. Loss of life is mercifully light considering the extent and depth of the high waters. As they begin to ebb, only 9 deaths are attributed to them. But at least 100,000 are left homeless as county after county is counted a disaster area.